In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos and add them to your design. We're going to walk through this process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without confusion. If you're preparing graphics, presentations, social media posts, or any other visual project, knowing how to bring your own images into the platform is an essential step. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll be able to place them directly into your design and start arranging everything exactly the way you want it. To begin, open the Upload section. This is where your imported media is stored, including images you want to use in your project. If you've never uploaded anything before, this area may look empty at first, and that's completely normal. The Uploads panel is basically your personal media library within the design workspace. Next, click Upload Files. This will open a file browser on your device, allowing you to locate the photos you want to bring into the project. Take a moment here to choose the correct images. If your files are organized in folders ahead of time, this part will be faster and easier. You can select one photo or multiple photos at the same time, depending on what you need for your design. Once you've selected your photos, confirm your selection so the upload can begin. After that, wait for the upload to finish. This step is important because if you try to use the files before they're fully uploaded, they may not appear correctly. The upload time can vary depending on the size of the images and the speed of your internet connection. If things seem a little slow, give it a moment and let the process complete. When the upload is done, your photos will appear